What's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, guys, it's raining. I'm gonna show you it's raining. Look at my haircut. So lit. And look how it's raining, guys. And look over here, guys. It's so raining. And guys, I don't know how are we gonna make an. First, I'm gonna tell you something. Make sure you guys hit that notification bell, like this video, and subscribe and make me go to 1,700 million subscribers. So guys, I'm not gonna be doing it today. It's so raining. I'll get some a little bit of water on my hand. Cause it's so rainy. I don't know what to do, guys. So yeah. So I think I don't know what we're gonna be doing today. I was gonna do a pool video, but I couldn't do it because I shouldn't have do it fast in the morning because it's raining today and I don't know how I'm gonna vlog, guys. So guys, So, hold on, guys. Give me 1 second, guys. Don't leave. Give me 1 second. Don't leave, guys. Don't leave. Okay, guys, I'm gonna pause it. So, I'm gonna vlog one. I'm gonna vlog when my mom says yes.